In this video, we are going to start talking about the volume of solids. So when we're talking about volume, we are talking about cubic units. And volume is essentially, if you stuck a cube in a bathtub, it is the amount of water that was displaced in the bathtub. So we have several formulas. Again, just like the other formulas, you are not expected to memorize these. You can have them out on a cheat sheet for yourself. So the volume of a cube is its side cubed. Maybe that's where the word cubed came from. For a prism or a rectangular box, it is the area of the base, so whatever's on the bottom, times the height. So a base could be a triangle, it could be a pentagon, a hexagon, a rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezoid, whatever. No matter what it is the area of the base times the height. A cylinder is going to be the area of the base times the height again, only this time the base is a circle, so we get pi r squared times the height. A sphere, the volume is going to be 4/3 pi r cubed. A pyramid is going to be 1/3 of the base times the height. And again, the base could be a triangle, it could be a trapezoid, whatever. No matter what it is 1/3 whatever the area of the base is times the height. And this time we are talking about the height, not the lateral height, but the actual height. A cone is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Only this time the area of the base is pi r squared. The volume of an ellipsoid is slightly better than the surface area of the ellipsoid, but again, we aren't going to have any actual problems in this course focused on the ellipsoid, but for the sake of the DMS students, I wanted to make sure that they understood that the volume is 4/3 pi times ABC. A being the length, B being the width, and C being the height. Let's go ahead and find the volume of each of these solids. So the volume of a rectangular prism is base times height. So the area of the base is 5 times 4. My crazy computer doing its crazy thing again. 5 times 4 is the area of the base times the height, which is 2. 5 times 4 is 20, times 2 is 40 centimeters cubed. How about this triangular prism? So we have the base looks like this. Now, why don't we start off by seeing if maybe this is a right triangle? If it's a right triangle, then we'll know the height. So let's see. 3 squared plus 4 squared equal 5 squared. Does 9 plus 16 equal 25? Yes, it does. So this is a right triangle. So this is what we're going to do. The right angle is always opposite the longest side. So the base is 3, the height is 4 of this triangle. So 1/2 times 3 times 4 is 6. So the area of the base is 6. We're going to multiply that by the height. 6 times 7.5 is 45 centimeters cubed. How about the cylinder? The cylinder is the area of the base times the height. So what's the area of the base? Pi r squared. times the height, which is 32. So what's 15 squared times 32 times pi is very large, 22,619. Feet cubed. Must be one heck of a column. How about this sphere? 4/3 pi r cubed. So what's r? 7. So 4/3 pi times 7 cubed. What's 7 cubed? Times 4 divided by 3 times pi. 1,437. Centimeters cubed. That one should be in there. That's our answer for that one. A pyramid has a square base with sides 16 centimeters long and a height of 15 centimeters. Find the volume of the pyramid. So this is going to be 1/3 base times height. So let's verify this. The area of the base, correct? The pyramid, yes, the area of the base times height. So the area of the base, it's a square base. The area of the base is going to be 16 squared times the height of 15 equals 16 squared, you think I'd have that memorized by now, times 15 divided by 3, 1280. Centimeters cubed. The base of the cone has radius of 5 centimeters. Vertical height of the cone is 12 centimeters. That's this. Find the volume of the cone. So it's again 1/3 times the area of the base, which is pi r squared, times height, which is 12. So 12 times 25 times pi equals, divided by 3, is 314.15. Or 16. We'll just go with 314. Centimeters cubed. So problem 29, you'll be working on finding the volume of your own solids. Plenty of them for you to work on. So with that, I will get back to you when we talk about conversions in the next video.